Diabetes is a metabolic disease where the body cannot produce sufficient insulin. Insulin is a protein released by the beta cells within the islets of Langerhans of the pancreas. In the body, insulin is a hexamer, a stable unit of 6 insulin molecules, while the active form is a monomer. The hexamer-monomer conversion is a central aspect for injections of insulin. Its main function is to act as the regulator of blood glucose levels. There are currently 2 distinct types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2, although both are centered around the body having too much sugar in the blood. Symptoms for type 1 diabetes usually occurs during childhood or even early adolescence, and those who are already well into adulthood are rarely diagnosed with this type of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is characterized by the body's inability to produce insulin whatsoever due to the immune system attacking the cells that produce insulin. The lack of insulin prevents cells from absorbing glucose, which they ultimately need as their energy source. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes is a lifestyle disease. Also known as insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes usually develops during adulthood after a series of poor dietary and health choices. With the heavily increased amount of glucose in the bloodstream, the pancreas tries to compensate by producing more insulin, but eventually it can't keep up with the demand and sugar levels in the blood begin to rise. This is mainly found in obese individuals, as an increase in adipose tissue within the individual's body increases the production of hormones that increase insulin resistance. Both types of diabetes stimulate various harmful effects in the body, and developing either type comes with multiple risks. Having diabetes can cause damage to small blood vessels in the body, such as in the eye, as well as the larger blood vessels that are located in the heart, potentially leading to a heart attack. Despite all these scary effects, it is possible to greatly decrease the chances of developing diabetes as long as blood glucose levels are regulated and a healthy diet is maintained.